Today we're going to harvest blueberries. Blueberries.
Open this.
Okay, we're gonna harvest blueberries. Yeah. Okay, let me open the net. This one here is loaded. There's a lot of blueberries. Yeah. Yum. Yeah. Yeah, you want to go in? Okay, let's open this. Come here. You only harvest the black, dark color, okay? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yum. Okay. When you harvest blueberries, make sure that they are dark, deep blue color.
And it can go under it.
Yeah, deep blue berries because they are sweeter. We keep the blueberries longer on the bush because when you keep them longer, they will be sweeter. The longer they stay on the bush, the sweeter. When you harvest, make sure that you do it during daytime when the sun is bright because you can tell the difference between slightly purple and pinkish. You want to make sure that all the blueberries are dark in color, not just partially blue, not partially pink, not partially reddish. It has to be blue, dark blue, and soft. They easily come off when they are really ripe.
Happy harvesting.
Say it, happy harvesting. Say it.
Happy harvesting.
What do you harvest? The red or the dark blue?
Dark blue.
Okay, yum. See, this one here is not. It's got a little bit of red.
The other one.
Yum.
I don't like the big ones.
Yay, there's a green one. Happy harvesting. You got purple in there. See, you only harvest the. See, it's a little purple. When they're purple, they're sour. So you want to make sure that you harvest only the dark, the deep black, blue color. Happy harvesting. Okay. You're eating and harvesting, Abel.
And have the big ones.
Right here. There's more on this side. Right here. Oh, we put a net over it because the birds love it. What? Okay.